Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Script Network. This is Decentralized TV and it's a really amazing project breaking frontiers between decentralization, blockchain and streaming and TV. This is a free and confirmed airdrop, so we already have a guarantee that we are going to have these airdrop tokens. Like always, I'm going to cover a little bit about the project and how this works, a little bit about the tokenomics, which is quite interesting. And like you know, if you are a follower of this channel, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get these tokens. And if it's your first time here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications, because here at CCS I show you step by step airdrop videos. So subscribe if it's your first time here. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get this amazing airdrop. And if you want to be a really airdrop hunter, I would recommend you to check my subscription for Discord and one application that I created to register and follow all the airdrops of my channel and your custom airdrops. So check these videos about my application and here you have all the information. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, today's video is about this confirmed and free airdrop of Script Network. Shout out to Mingo, he published this 24 hours ago and I was really impacted about the project. So I wanted to do my own video step by step on how to get and participate in this airdrop. All the links of this I'm going to be in the description with a post to my website. So you are going to be able to go there and see all this step by step that I will show you here on this spreadsheet. So basically, Script Network is a decentralized television streaming platform that uses blockchain to solve some of the problems of the current video streaming sector. Script allows you to earn tokens by watching and sharing programs with another people. And there will be basically two tokens, SCPT and SPAY. SCPT, which is a Script token, is a governance and staking token. And basically the 10% is allocated for community airdrops, and there are a very strong vesting for the team and early investors and partners. And SPAY is a reward token, and the biggest part of SPAY supply will be used for protocol rewards. That is a 7.5% is allocated for airdrops and giveaways. Just a couple of things regarding the tokens, guys, and this is the official white paper and documentation. The Script token is going to have a max supply, you can read that here, of 1 billion tokens. For being the governance token, it's not that much, I think it's quite right. And this is one of the tokens that we are going to be able to get in this airdrop. And the SPAY token is going to have 5 billion tokens, but according to some protocol algorithms, they are going to be able to mint more of these tokens over time. And this is a reward token, so probably this will be the day-to-day token that you are going to use to reward and earn in the platform. And you have your governance token here with 1 billion of max supply. So I am a little more interested on this Script token to get governance, so we are going to check that in this airdrop too. The project, guys, is already here from 2022 and there's a lot of partners and investors behind this, not only exchanges but the capital of VCs and venture capital firms. And the testnet is starting really soon, so you can already start to earn the tokens here for this reward. But the project is solid, guys, so a lot of expectation behind this. If you go to the Twitter, you can see that has 100k followers and they are already showing here from 2021. Here you have the link to all the different links related to Script token and Script Network. But the Twitter is really nice, very active, a lot of giveaways here and stuff. But now let's go directly to the Script Network airdrop step by step. Like you know, guys, step 1 and step 2 is always follow them on Twitter and Discord. Like always, you are going to need that in the next steps of this airdrop for Script Network. So follow them on Twitter and in Discord. And like in any of my videos, everything always happens in Discord. So if you want to be up to date with the news of this project or everything, even if you need some support, you need to be in the Discord. So here you have the link for the Discord and the Twitter. Now let's go step 3. This is you need to go to the Script website and click sign up on the top right corner and use any available wallet like MetaMask, which is the case that I am going to use MetaMask for this. So once you are here, you click in, sign up. I will use MetaMask to connect. Once you are connected, guys, you are going to see this. Basically, you need to put an email address, a nickname, and here you can put a referral code. So if you want to support the channel, here in the step 4, when you sign up, you will enter your email and nickname, and you can put a referral link. It's not mandatory, but I will be appreciated if you put this code into the creation of your account. It will just give me a boost on the rewards for the airdrop. It's not that I'm going to get directly money or anything like that. And if you are subscribed to my Discord, we can help each other there with the different referral links. So that is also something that we do in my Discord. We help each other. If someone knows about a new project, he or she can share the referral link and we can use it. And that way he could get some reward for doing that and be up to date there in the Discord. So that is also something that is happening in my Discord. Besides covering different airdrops that are not in my videos, we are up to date with the distributions on all the videos that I do, and also with different airdrops that I don't cover. So I will copy my referral link and I will put it here to create the account. I will put an email and I will put a nickname. So now after you put all this, you can click on continue. Remember, you are not obligated to put my referral link here. If you just put your email address and nickname, you can just click continue. But again, you support the channel if you do that. Now click continue and you need to set a password now. After you put the password, click on save, and you are going to need to confirm this entering the password that you are going to receive in an email. So once you have the code, click on send and you can see email verification done successfully. And now guys, you are already signed up in your account. Remember to save that password. Remember to write down your email that you use it here and what wallet are you using also for connecting here. That is all. There is no KYC. You need to put just a valid email. Now guys, here you have different things to do. You can watch on the different channels and watch something that is part of what you are going to need in order to get rewards. So we already did step 3 and 4. Now we go to step 5. And this is once in the dashboard, you can check the daily tasks you can do to earn rewards. That eventually will be transformed into airdropped tokens. So there are 4 basic things that you can do. First, watch 3 hours of content per day. Second, log in every day. Third is inviting friends, like I did if you use my referral link. And 4, speak in the live chat room. So you can go here to the dashboard, and from here, once you're logged in, if you click here, this round button, you are going to go to your personal page, basically your dashboard. And going down here, you can see these are the rewards that you are accumulating. So once you have some rewards, you click on collect rewards, and you can see I have reward collected successfully and I have 10 here, which basically is for the first login that I did. And here you have your daily tasks, like I mentioned. You can click here and go to the TV and start watching. They tell 3 hours per day give you 100 on rewards. Login every day give you 10. Inviting friends give you 20, and speaking in live chat rooms going to give you 2. And here you can do a couple of things: edit your profile, share the referral link, analytics about how much time you have been seen and everything like that. You can change the password, token mapping and leaderboard. Token mapping is coming soon, so there are stuff here are not ready. The leaderboard, you can see the people addresses, that how much reward points they have. So guys, that is basically all for this airdrop and confirm airdrop. Just interact with that, accumulate those rewards. Those rewards are going to be translated into airdropped tokens. Another thing that could give you boost on the rewards or even a different kind of airdrop with these tokens is the step 6, complete the Crew 3 task. So you have the link there and you have the Script Network for Crew 3. You probably are already familiar what Crew 3 is if you are already doing airdrops. But basically you have a couple of categories, for example, getting started, socials, and in each of them you have different tasks to do. Some of them could be only read something, and other ones could be share something in any of your social media, entering and tweet something, or education purposes, for example, reading the white paper, and they are going to give you some quiz here. So many things and contributions, for example. And here you will have the testnet launch, so this is important. So this is the one that I just want to tell you about it. The Script blockchain testnet launch is almost here. So please go here, read the white paper. Here you have some things that will help you to do the testnet and maybe also get rewards. And like they say here, get into the Discord announcements. There you are going to have the most important information about the testnet. And after that, step 7, get your guild roles and on Discord after having the tasks that you still can do. So guild, also similar to Crew 3, you need to accomplish some tasks. You need to connect your wallet here, and you are going to be able to validate each time that you achieve something here. You are going to be able to validate that role in the Discord. So for example, this is connecting your Ethereum wallet. So this is easy to do. Here is following Script Network on Twitter. So after you do that, you can claim those roles from Script Network in the Discord. Some of them are already passed and you are not going to be able to get them. But the two important ones for testnet voter and testnet badge holder, which I think these are very important to get more airdrop or boosting your airdrops, are still not yet available, so keep an eye on these ones. And that basically is all, guys. So step 8 is the official documentation, so you can read everything about the project, tokenomics and all that. So guys, that will be all for this video. This is an airdrop which is confirmed and free to participation right now, and the testnet is, I think, next week. So keep an eye on this, but you still can already start doing the task and start getting the rewards. Guys, that will be all. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.